In the courtyard of a Napa hotel, a reunion this morning under tragic circumstances.
We have each other here. That's all we have.
Along with memories of what used to be a quiet, modest life in the Spanish Flat mobile villa near Lake Berryessa. Only heated, twisted, warped wreckage remains. For Michelle Queckie, Space 21 represents 40 years of her life.
I never thought it would happen. Thought we'd be able to go back home, know that they would save it, but not this time.
Residents had received warnings, 2 days of them, but it seemed at the time that the blaze was still a long way off. When it finally roared through, they had half an hour to get away.
Everything is gone.
Here's how it looked after those frantic few minutes after the Hennessy fire advanced. Assistant manager Dan Davenport had gone door to door. He would be the last man out.
I looked back, once I got by the bridges up there that on the north end of the lake, I looked back and saw this mushroom cloud, and I knew then that everything was gone.
Literally, figuratively. In all, 47 of 50 homes burned. Now the hardest part, most residents here did not have insurance, not even those who owned their units. The Red Cross says they can stay at the hotel as long as they need. For Michelle and others, that may be a while.
I don't know. I don't know.
And now one last poignant fact. The night that fire destroyed Michelle's life, it was her 63rd birthday. From Napa County, Wayne Friedman, ABC 7 News.